Picture this. You open your banking app, see $20, sigh, and suddenly a notification pops up. Your money just made more money. Wait, what? Money making money while you're literally doing nothing? Most teens think that only rich adults or finance nerds do that. But here's the twist. The thing that makes it happen, the stock market, is way more simple and way more teen-friendly than you think. Today, I'm breaking it down in the clearest, most drama-free way possible. By the end, you'll understand exactly what the stock market is, how it grows people's money, and how you can start smart habits now, even without buying anything. Let's jump in. Let me tell you a quick story. When I was 16, my friend Jay walked into school looking like he had unlocked the secrets of the universe. I'm like, bro, you good? He goes, dude, I made money yesterday while I was asleep. Instantly, I imagined some illegal midnight online hustle, but nope, he had bought a tiny piece of a company, literally a slice, and when that company's value went up, his slice got more valuable. Here's the tension. Most people hear stock market and think of confusing graphs and dudes in suits yelling at screens. But the truth is, the market is just a giant place where people buy tiny ownership pieces of companies they already know. Apple, Nike, Netflix, the stuff you use every day. And here's the deeper question. If the stock market is just owning pieces of companies, why do so many people still feel like it's a trap or too risky? We're about to break that mystery open. Part 1. What a stock actually is. A stock is a tiny piece of a real company, like owning one brick of a giant building. If the building becomes more valuable, your brick becomes more valuable too. Imagine your school sells shares of cafeteria cookies. If cookies suddenly blow up on TikTok and the school sells out every day, your shares are worth more. Pick one company you love, maybe the brand of your phone or your favorite clothing line. Ask yourself, would I want a tiny piece of this? This simple habit builds investing intuition. Part 2. Why stocks grow over time. Companies grow because they create better products, sell more stuff, expand to new markets, increase revenue. When they grow, the price of their stock usually grows too. Think of a YouTuber starting with 50 subs. As more people subscribe, the channel becomes more valuable. Same energy with companies. Take one company and look at its 5-year chart online. Not for buying, just to see what long-term growth looks like. You'll notice something weird. Up close, charts look chaotic. Zoomed out, they mostly trend upward. Part 3. Risk, aka the drama everyone talks about. Here's the plot twist. The stock market is not a slot machine. It's more like riding a roller coaster that, over the long run, almost always ends higher than it started. Short term equals chaos. Long term equals steady growth. If you check your grades every hour, your mood will swing like crazy. But at the end of the semester, the trend usually makes sense. Set this rule in your brain. Your future wealth depends more on time than timing. You don't need to buy at the perfect moment. Holding for years beats guessing minutes. Part 4. How people actually make money. 2 simple ways. Price goes up. You sell later for more than you paid. Dividends. Some companies share part of their profits with you. Price increase equals buying sneakers for $80 and selling for $120. Dividends equals your friend pays you $5 every time they borrow your game console. Look up what a dividend yield is in one sentence. It'll instantly click. Part 5. The magic word. Index funds. This is the part that changes lives. An index fund is like a giant basket holding hundreds of companies. Instead of picking one winner, you own tiny pieces of all of them. It's like choosing a playlist with every top hit instead of guessing which one song will blow up. Why this matters? Most people who try to beat the market fail. Index funds let you quietly win over time. Write down this term, S&P 500 Index Fund. That's the playlist of America's top 500 companies. You don't have to buy it now, just know the name. It's going to show up again and again if you ever invest.
Pitfalls and misconceptions. Mistake 1. Thinking you need a lot of money. Nope. You can start with $5 in most apps, but more importantly, you can practice without spending a dime. Mistake 2. Trying to get rich fast. This is the trap. If someone says, "I doubled my money in a week," cool, ask them again in 6 months. Mistake 3. Checking your investments every day. That's like checking your height every morning. Relax. Humans and markets grow slower than your anxiety does. Mistake 4. Thinking losses mean failure. Prices go down temporarily. The only time you lock in a loss is when you panic sell. Mistake 5. Listening to random hype. If your friend says, "Bro, this is the next Tesla," translation, they watched one TikTok. Practical action steps. Here are steps you can start today, even if you don't invest yet. 1. Pick one company you actually use. Just observe it. What do they sell? Why do people buy it? This builds your investor brain. 2. Track the S&P 500 for 1 week. Not to judge it, just to see how it moves and breathes, like learning the rhythm of a game. 3. Practice in a fake portfolio. Use a notes app. Pretend you bought $50 of a company. Watch what happens over time. This costs nothing and teaches everything. 4. Set a tiny weekly savings habit. $2, $5, $10. Doesn't matter. You're building the muscle that matters more than the amount. 5. Learn one new term per week. Start with index fund, dividend, market cap, compound growth. Every new term removes a piece of fear. 6. Promise yourself this rule. I don't invest money I need next month. This keeps you safe. If you take nothing else from this video, remember this. The stock market isn't about getting rich fast. It's about letting your money grow while your future self lives easier. Your job right now isn't to invest immediately. Your job is to understand the game early so you have a huge advantage later. If you want more beginner-friendly money videos like this, hit like, subscribe, or leave a question. This community is growing fast and we help each other level up. You got this. Your future wallet is already cheering.